The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue.
Good day and welcome to our journey for today. We have an replenishing or breakfast ride in this day. We're going to Sarawat or the Golden Bakery here in Rawdah, Jeddah.
You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just
We will buy some breakfast or the bread that called the pandesal. It is commonly used breakfast, especially in Luzon in the Philippines. So join us in our journey. We are here now at Rawdah, going to Sarawat International Supermarket, and also this is a mall. So thank you once again for joining us in this journey this day.
the seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reap me for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season. Don't want another day without you by my side.
And the good thing of this area is the road is very wide, especially also morning time. That's why we love to have a ride in the morning, because we can experience this kind of peacefulness and clear traffic, also avoiding some dangerous accidents and pollution.
Just like another season.
Silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Feel the wind touch our face. Let's take a spin to a foreign place. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into into the great unknown. Escape, let's escape, let's escape, let's escape.
So in this area, this building or the restaurant is called La Parrilla. It's an Asian or Filipino cuisine also. And this area, especially Friday time, they will have crowds because it is a day off here in Middle East, especially here in Saudi Arabia. So this is the bakery, but our main focus now is to wait for the guy that they are selling bike accessories and parts in this day.
Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape, let's escape. Let's escape. Let's escape.
You can buy online, guys, from Sir Frederick.
Yeah.
He's also selling bike accessories and also like jerseys and other things. Also, you have a YouTube channel. We will put the description link below.
Without you, I remember myself, my name. Forgot about all you tried to change. Familiar was the sound of your voice as I continue to walk on by. It has been a year and now I'm living on the line. It has been a year and now I'm thinking what's mine, that I'm better off right here without you.
You, friend.
That I'm better off.
Oh, isasali namin.
Sir, pwede ka?
Sige, sir. God bless, sir. Ingat po. Okay, we already buy and we met already our friend Sir Frederick, and we will go to our accommodation now.
Admit that I've lost my place. My memory's gone erased. Like a scratch, only the scar remains. For we are better apart from all the pain. Distant like the stars above. There's no love I cannot see. And in a moment, that's when I knew I'm better off right here without you.
are here passing the Rawdah park, and we will continue to in our front going through the Prince Sultan Road. We are already under the bridge of Sari Street, corner Prince Sultan, and going to the right is we are bounding to our place in Al-Zahra. And we are here now at Al-Zahra, and thank you, like and subscribe. Let's see.